Eccomelt 356.2 is clearly the cleanest recycled wheel material that you can get. Normally, if you say, well, I'm recycling all aluminum wheels, all one alloy, the inside of the alloy is always going to be nice and the chemistry is going to be good. But they were painted, they were dirty. If you actually recycle wheels directly into a furnace and you melted them down, you would burn the paint off, but that would all go up into the air, which you don't want, and it will most likely contaminate your metal. When you use the Eccomelt 356.2, you use a material that was non-thermally recycled, so it was crushed and then completely cleaned. All the dirt is gone, and it's as clean as if you used primary metal directly.
The reason why the Eccomelt is so good relative to primary ingot, there's a substantial cost savings, reducing our carbon footprint while providing you with a quality product.
Our sustainability is proven with our certification by Climate Partner, a leader in climate action. We report the full Greenhouse Gas Protocol corporate standard, Scope 1 to 3, and our extremely low carbon footprint level stands at 0.136 tons of CO2 equivalent per ton of aluminum. We augment our process by customizing and certifying an exact carbon footprint for each individual delivery to our customers' factories according to EN 16258. Eccomelt is able to provide an exact value. Global average primary aluminum is set to have a carbon footprint estimating almost 17 tons of CO2 equivalent per ton of aluminum. Secondary ingots are approximated to be around 0.7, and we are proud to report that Eccomelt 356.2 is only 0.136 tons of CO2 equivalent per ton of aluminum.
We're in Manchester, Georgia at our Eccomelt facility. It's 50,000 square feet. Currently doing 8 million pounds per month. We package it various ways. It can be bags, boxes, or loose.
You have to have a clean, environmental friendly product. Otherwise, you're just not going to be able to do business in the Western world.
We tested the material 275 pounds, and then we pour on a test bar on a permanent mold. Then we did the full battery of this mechanical property, and also we did PATFA, cleanliness, metallography. On the mechanical result, we got excellent value like 9% elongation and 33,000 psi of yield strength. So that was well above the standard by the STM. On the PATFA result, we got 0.40 millimeter by kilogram. It's a very clean metal and very nice result.
The good thing is availability in the market is no problem at all. There are lots of wheels out there. There is definitely no shortage that we could expect. On top of that, it gives me the good feeling I'm doing something for the environment, because primary aluminum consumes a lot of energy, can be pretty dirty, has high carbon footprint. Recycled aluminum doesn't have that.
Eccomelt is a patented process. It started off as a concept to develop the most efficient way to recycle automotive wheels. We looked at the volume of aluminum wheels that were going to be coming onto the market over the next 10 years and decided that we needed to handle aluminum wheels in a different way. Provide a low-cost alternative to primary ingot for the American manufacturer.
Environmentally speaking, the metal is probably the best thing a foundry could buy on the market.
To our customers, it's all about value. That's it. Quality, service, price. All wrapped up, you get an Eccomelt product.
The main goal of the company is to provide our consumers with a superior quality product that is the lowest carbon aluminum alloy on the market today, while saving them money for A356.2. And why melt the profits away?